My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the adware called Cricket Start. This is a specific browser extension that is designed specifically for Google Chrome. The extension Cricket Start is currently spread through integration with certain free applications, and another problem is that it may be also presented as some fake software update message or fake browser update message. It is advertised as a tool that can help you see the latest Cricket results and updates. But if this extension is added to the Google Chrome browser, it can read and change data on several websites. It can replace the page you see when opening a new tab and even read your browsing history. So it works as a new tab replacer, and it may also collect some browsing related information. It also may change some browser settings, so when you provide some search queries, you may eventually get the results by some other search engines, those that have not been chosen by you initially. This could be Bing, Yahoo, or something else. And this extension may also show some of its own advertisements while you surf the web, and these ads are not related to the sites that you visit. So if you are not happy with all such amendments into the way your browser operates, you should get rid of this extension. Access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions, disable and remove this extension. To make sure that the system is free of any other threats, I recommend researching it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button. Install the software and start researching the system with its help to detect and delete all other threats from your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.